3-axis pneumatic modern trailer. So actually we need the air compressor for around 6 bar pressure. Need the 6 bar pressure. Okay. Then you want to open the gate valve. Then this air goes to the here. This is the flow control valve. So you go to adjust the flow. You go to open and close that adjust the flow. Then this is the 5/2 direction control valve. One inlet, 2 outlet, 2 exhaust. Here is having the exhaust. 2 exhaust will be there. So 5/2 direction control valve. Then here we are using the DC motor based rotation mechanism. The 12 volt, 90 watts, 60 RPM permanent magnet DC warm gear motor. Inbuilt warm gear is there. So this will be rotating the gear wheel. Spur gear mechanism 1:3 ratio. Then this is a 2 rotating display, top and bottom, 8 inch diameter, 6 mm thickness. Then this is the pneumatic double headed cylinder, outer diameter 45, inner diameter 40, stroke length 160 mm. Then this DC motor is operated by the battery. This battery is 12 volt 7 ampere lead acid battery. This is the model cabin frame. This is the lorry type. So this is the frame. Then this is the cabin. So we can load it up to 40 kg. Then this is the lock arrangement. This is the lock key. You have to open and close. 2 lock will be there. Then for bottom having 8 inch diameter rubber wheel, 3 inch diameter ILR roller wheel. Frame made of mild steel, L angle. This is sheet metal. The door will be in sheet metal. 1 mm thick sheet metal door. Then here having the switch. This is the forward and reverse switch will be there. So you go to operate the switch. The table will be rotating. Depending upon the switch position, table will be moving forward and reverse. So you have to kept in that lock in the back side. So you go to cylinder kept here. This is the position of the cylinder for putting the lock here. Then you go to operate the valve. You go to operate the valve for this side. You go to operate the valve. So you have to operate the valve, so automatically the cylinder will be lifting. So similarly this cylinder will be lifting. This is the flow. You have to adjust the flow, it will be slow and fast. Then you have to operate the valve back side, it will come down to original position. Okay, so this direction is upward direction. This is the upward direction. Then center is the halfway. Then this is the downward direction. Then you go to operate the switch. Then you have to rotate the cylinder, bottom cylinder. Then you have to kept like this. You have to kept like this. Then you go to put the lock to the back side. You have to remove these 2 locks. Then you go to put it on the back side, this side, sideway. Lock 2 here. Then you go to similarly you go to operate the valve. So this will be lifting on the side way. So it will be lifting on this side way. Then you go to operate the switch for that side. You go to that side means the lock will be put on the another side. You have to remove this lock to put on the back side. So you go to put on this lock this side. So automatically you go to operate the same valve. The cylinder will be lifting this side. So the total system will be operated by the 3 sides.